In which of the following the diethylene glycol is being used? The answer is all the above. And such kind of industrial solvent we are using in the manufacturing of cough syrup which is given to the children. Recently, the Madhya Pradesh government has banned it, and in India, Tamil Nadu and Kerala have already banned it. And what for other states are waiting for? And India is the drug manufacturer of the world in terms of generic drugs. And if you are using such kind of industrial solvents which are toxic in nature, so what kind of impact will have on the exports of India, the Make in India dream,